The Wellness Spa, Intelligent Self-Care. Welcome back to the Future Home Blueprint series by Dennis Thomas. In the homes of the past, the morning began with the jarring ring of an alarm and a rushed routine. In the future, your day doesn't start with a routine or alarm clocks. It starts with precision care. Today we enter the Wellness Spa, a space that doesn't wait for you to wake up. It has already prepared the day for you. The pre-entry preparation. Your morning begins before you even enter the room. By pulling data from your sleep quality, your daily schedule, and your internal health system, the spa prepares your environment. The lighting shifts to match your circadian rhythm. The floor temperature is adjusted to your preference, and aromatherapy is activated to sharpen your senses. You don't adjust the world adjusts to you. With precision care, the bathroom is no longer a basic space for hygiene. It becomes a fully integrated wellness spa. Every detail is designed around one thing: you, your body, your health, your appearance, your energy. This space does not wait for you to figure things out. It already knows what you need. Your morning starts before you enter. Before your feet touch the floor, your home has already started preparing your care routine. It pulls data from your sleep quality, your schedule, your health system, environmental conditions. When you walk into the wellness spa, lighting matches your circadian rhythm. The temperature is already set. Aromatherapy activates automatically. You don't adjust anything. You step into a ready system. AI oral health system. Hygiene is now a diagnostic process. Our AI oral health system utilizes a smart mouthpiece that cleans every surface of your teeth in seconds. But it goes deeper, scanning for cavities, detecting gum disease, and using nanotechnology to repair enamel damage before it requires a procedure. If a health issue is detected, your system flags it and connects you to care immediately. No more waiting for appointments. No more guesswork. Precision grooming and beautification for men. Grooming and beauty are now matters of mathematical precision. For men, micro-laser systems scan facial structure and hair growth direction to deliver a shave that eliminates irritation and razor bumps. Shaving becomes exact. No cuts, no irritation, no razor bumps. The system scans your face to assess hair growth direction, skin sensitivity, and facial structure. Then it performs the shave using micro-laser precision, adaptive skin protection, and real-time adjustments. You can choose clean shave, perfect stubble, and defined beard lines. Every detail is controlled. Beautification Studio. Women. For women, the smart mirror becomes a personal stylist. It analyzes skin hydration, texture, condition, and tone. You select a look, or let the system suggest one. The applicator handles everything: foundation, eyes, lips, and blending. Perfect every time. At night, the system reverses everything, cleanses, exfoliates, and repairs. Your skin improves daily. The smart hair care. Hair care has finally moved past the one-size-fits-all era. Whether you have 4 C-coils, straight waves, hair extensions, or locks, the Smart Hair Care Lounge understands the density and cultural needs of your hair. From washing and detangling to precision fades and complex styling, the system provides salon-quality results without you ever leaving your sanctuary. Consistency is no longer a luxury. It is the standard. Men can maintain clean fades and lineups, and women can achieve detailed styles without leaving home. Everything is consistent. AI, mani-pedi, and reflexology station. You sit down. The system takes over. It scans your hands and feet, nail health, skin condition, circulation. Then it performs cleaning, shaping, polishing, massage. Foot care goes deeper. Reflexology systems apply pressure where your body needs it. This is not cosmetic. This is health. Nail system. Futuristic manicure pedicure pod chair with robotic precision tools. An AI spa system performing nail care and foot massage. Smart reflexology chair. Glowing ambient wellness environment. The 2-person shower and walk down. Even the most basic acts of relaxation are redefined. This is where design meets experience. Our 2-person shower offers a shared experience with independent control, personalized temperatures, and pressures for each side, unified by a central rainfall system. For deeper recovery, the walk-down tub eliminates the need to climb. You step in and let hydrotherapy jets and temperature cycling improve your circulation, while built-in entertainment immerses you in sound and vision. Built-in features include wall displays for TV or guided relaxation, surround sound system, steam and aromatherapy. Options. This is not just a shower, it is an experience. The walk-down tub, relaxation redefined. The tub is no longer climbed into, you walk into it. Designed for comfort and access. Features include seating for multiple people, hydrotherapy jets, temperature cycling, built-in entertainment, music, visuals, complete relaxation, and when you are done, it cleans itself. Total body care and nanotech hygiene. Everything in this space is connected. Your skin, hair, and vitals are tracked to provide early warning signs of change. And beneath it all, nanotechnology ensures the environment is sterile. Surfaces eliminate bacteria instantly and repair themselves from wear. Your spa is always clean, always safe, and always ready. The final thought and call to action. In the future, you don't prepare for the day prepares you. You become ready physically, mentally, and visually before you ever step outside. Suppose you want to see how the rest of the home evolves. Like and share this video, subscribe and turn on notifications for our next video. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about what you have learned about the future. The transformation is just beginning.